Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable biometrics on the Solflare Wallet app. To enable biometrics such as Face ID or fingerprint on your Solflare Wallet is super easy. Launch the Solflare Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your wallet like you normally do. After you are inside, tap on the gear button at the bottom right hand corner, and this will bring up the settings menu. Click on security and privacy. Now, toggle on the button right next to biometrics. To enable biometrics, you'll first need to enter your passcode for your wallet. Enter your correct passcode that you previously set up. Tap on the enable button right on the next page to enable biometrics for your wallet. After enabling the biometrics, close the app and reopen it to ensure that it prompts for your fingerprint or Face ID. And that is how you can easily enable biometrics. Enabling biometrics adds an extra layer of security, making it easier to access your wallet while keeping it safe. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.